Today's video is on the problem related to Taylor series, and this topic is from complex power series. And in today's video, we have to find out the Taylor series of log of 1 plus e power z about z is equal to 0. So in this video, I'm talking about Taylor series. So what is this Taylor series? So according to our Taylor series, we have the expansion as f of z is equal to, see here, f of z is equal to, so this is f of a plus z minus a by 1 factorial into f dash of a plus z minus a whole square by 2 factorial into f double dash of a plus and so on. See here, clearly z is equal to 0. Now I am going to write za is equal to 0 and f of z as log of, this is 1 plus e power z. 1 plus e power z. And now this becomes, in place of f of z, I am writing log of 1 plus e power z. In place of a, I am writing 0. So this will be f of 0 plus z minus 0 is again z. So this is z minus 0 by 1 factorial into f dash of 0. And next one, z square by 2 factorial into f double dash of 0. This is z cube by 3 factorial into f triple dash of 0 plus z power 4 by 4 factorial into, this is fourth derivative of 0 plus and so on. Now we need the values of f of 0, f dash of 0, f double dash of 0, triple dash of 0, f fourth derivative of 0. Now we have to find out that one. So clearly in the question it is given that f of z is equal to, see here, what is f of z? This is log of 1 plus e power z. And what will be f of 0? So f of 0 will be, see, f of 0 will be, this is log of 1 plus e power 0. So which is equal to log of, this is 1 plus 1, which is equal to log 2. So we got f of 0 value as log 2. Clear? And next thing here is f dash. So f dash of 0. For that we have to make a derivative. So clearly log x is nothing but 1 by x. So this is 1 plus e power z. Again for e power z, this will be e power z. And therefore if we keep in place of z0, this will be e power 0 by 1 plus e power 0, which is equal to 1 plus 1, that is 1 by 2. Therefore, we got the value of f dash of 0 as 1 by 2. Clear? And next thing, we have to make a double derivative. So for that, for this one, double derivative of f of z will be, so this is of the form uv. So this is u by v rule. So this will be for the derivative. So this will be v square, clearly. This will be 1 plus e power z whole square, and again this is v e power z. For u we have to make a derivative, e power z is e power z, and again we have to leave u and we have to make a derivative for v, and again this will be e power z. And clearly if we multiply, so double derivative of z is equal to 1 into e power z, so this will be e power z, and if I multiply, this will be 2z minus e power 2z by 1 plus e power z whole square. Now I can cancel these two. And if we keep z as 0, f double dash of 0, this will be e power 0 by 1 plus e power 0 whole square. So this is clearly 1 by 1 plus 1 whole square. This is equal to 1 by 4. And therefore we got f double dash of 0 as, f double dash of 0 value as 1 by 4. And therefore, what is our Taylor series expansion? So Taylor series expansion, log of 1 plus e power z is equal to, the first thing here is f of 0 plus z by 1 factorial into f of 0 plus z square by 2 factorial into f double dash of 0 plus and so on. Now, if I substitute f of 0, so we have f of 0 value as log 2. And if I substitute f of 0 as log 2, f dash of 0 as half and f double dash of 0 as plus 1 by 4, and so this will become log of 1 plus e power z is equal to, what is f of 0? F of 0 value is equal to log 2. So I am substituting the value as log 2 plus this is z by 1 factorial into f dash of 0 as 1 by 2 plus this is z square by 2 factorial into 1 by 4 plus and so on. Therefore, our final answer is log of 1 plus e power z is equal to, this is log 2 plus z by 2 plus z square by 8 plus and so on. So this is how we have to explain, and let me explain you once again. So this is the question. So we have to find out the Taylor series of log of 1 plus e power z about z is equal to 0. So according to our Taylor series, we have the formula ready here, and in this we have to keep a as 0 and f of z as log of 1 plus e power z. So after keeping a is equal to 0 and f of z as log of 1 plus e power z, and this will be the expansion. In this expansion, we need the values of f of 0, f dash of 0, f double dash of 0, and so on. So this is f of z. If you keep z is equal to 0, so if you keep z is equal to 0, this will be log 2. And for if you make a derivative, log x is nothing but 1 by x. And again for e power z, this is e power z. If you keep z is equal to 0 here, the value here is half. And the next one, so this is u by v rule. So this will be v square v u dash minus u v dash. And if I multiply and substitute z is equal to 0, so the value here is 1 by 4. So f of 0 value is log 2, f dash of 0 is half, f double dash of 0 as 1 by 4. So if you multiply, we'll be getting the value of log of 1 plus e power z as log 2 plus z by 2 plus z square by 8 according to the Taylor series. Thank you so much for watching, and this is so simple if you follow these steps. And again, our videos are very useful to everyone, so please practice and pass it on to your friends. Check the playlist once and go through all the topics and pass it on to your friends. Thank you so much.